Whether you're buying or selling a home, you know I'm going to be talking about those Callaways and how fantastic they are, because they are going to be the most trustworthy people that are going to get the job done and make life easy. And of course, we have Joe Coleman, and you're going to tell us about a really cool home today.
Yeah, we have a luxury jewel. It's 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3,786 square feet. It's got the master suite is incredible. It's got dual walk-in doors, walk-out patio, double walk-in closets, double vanity, double walk-in shower, and a jetted tub. It's just an amazing property. It's got panoramic views from the terrace and a PebbleTec pool. It just really has everything you could want in a home. It's just gorgeous.
It sounds beautiful. And in a good area.
Oh, it's in a wonderful area.
Of
in the
course.
Sonoran Desert.
Oh, I love that. And is it going to be open that people can actually come in to the open house?
It's open today 1 to 4, so stop on by and one of our agents would love to show you around.
Well, and then of course, if they can't stop by or if it's not the right area, whatever, they can just call you, and I know you guys can help them find the perfect dream home for them.
Yep, our buyers team's always ready to help them find whatever they're looking for.
You guys, like I said, you make it so easy over there. So thank you for joining us again.
Thank you.